Hi guys, episode 4 in my, what was it called again? Equestria Girls Toy Car Conversion to Radio Control. What I've been doing today is looking for a suitable back axle and gearbox. And what I've done, I've got quite a few of these New Bright cars that are very handy donors for steering and gearboxes, and that is the motor and gearbox out of one of them. And that's all I've done. I've just cut out so it can actually fit in there. It's a tiny bit wide, so the wheels are actually going to stick out a little bit more than they did originally. But that seems to me to look all right. Doesn't look too bad, just a little bit of tyre showing on the outside. So no radio control yet, this is just electric motor, but we'll just run it up and down the kitchen so you get an idea of what it might look like when it's finished. Sounds a bit odd at the moment, but that doesn't really matter. Wheel spin. So it looks like that gearbox will do the job. Now we've got to sort out the steering. I've got a bit of bonus footage for you now. I'm going to show you the action cam video from yesterday when I actually managed to burn out the H-bridge on the receiver. So you can actually see the blue smoke coming up. Right, now we can see why it had a fuse. Just burnt out the H-bridge. So that's another lesson for people who ask me about putting bigger batteries in little cars. You're going to overheat them. So that was worth doing. brilliant. We even saw it glowing.